Hey guys, what's up? X-Round 1000 here, and today I'm going to be doing the sound test for the Noveske KX3 amplifier. This is the non-adjustable version, however it still amplifies the sound of your gun. For this test I'm going to be using two different areas, one being indoor and then the other one being outdoor. And I'm going to be using two different guns, one being an AG, my KWM4, and the other one being a gas blowback, my G17 gas blowback pistol. So yeah. Let's get on with the test. Alright guys, so hopefully you could tell the difference that the amplifier makes on the sound. On an AG it's more of a subtle change, but on camera it doesn't really pick it up that well, but in person it's a lot more intimidating. However, with the gas blowback it makes a huge difference, and you can't tell that much on the camera, but in person it really makes it a lot louder, and it even increases the recoil a little bit, because the way this works is that it pushes the gases out of here, and because it's a funnel shape, all the pressure is put behind the BB, and that's what makes it pop, and in turn it made the slide go back a little bit faster. So that was cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video guys. That's about it for this test. If you want to see the review, link will be on the screen. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you liked the video, leave a like. And please guys, subscribe if you want to see more videos. So yeah, it's been X-Round 1000 here. Peace.